Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best patio storage boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Keter Kentwood 50-gallon resin deck box. If you're looking for a mid-size storage box that doesn't break the bank, this option might be the one for you. With a storage capacity of 50 gallons, it's perfect for stashing essentials like patio cushions, garden tools, or pool accessories. Its resin construction ensures durability by preventing rust, peeling, and denting, common issues with wooden alternatives. Plus, the wood grain texture adds a touch of classic design flair to your outdoor space. In terms of design and build quality, the Keter Kentwood is lightweight yet sturdy. It also doubles as extra seating, supporting up to 350 pounds, making it a versatile addition to your patio. The flip-top lid is lockable, adding an extra layer of security for your belongings. Assembly is quick and tool-free, taking under 10 minutes. However, the box is not entirely waterproof, so it's best used in covered areas to prevent water damage. While it's not the most spacious option, the Keter Kentwood strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. It's ideal for those with moderate storage needs and limited space. On the downside, it lacks the higher-end features like hydraulic pistons or UV protection found in some premium models. Overall, it's a solid pick for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable, multi-purpose deck box. Coming in at number 4, we have the East Oak Outdoor Storage Box with a compact capacity of 31 gallons. This storage box is perfect for those who need a small and versatile solution for their backyard or indoor storage needs. Whether you're organizing garden tools, pool toys, or even package deliveries, this deck box has you covered. It features a modern, striped design in gray, which blends seamlessly with most outdoor aesthetics. The box is made from upgraded resin material, which ensures it's both waterproof and fade-resistant, making it a great choice for year-round use. It's also incredibly lightweight, weighing just 8.37 pounds, but it's surprisingly sturdy, with a load capacity of 170 pounds. This means you can use it as a single patio seat or even a small table. Its snap-together assembly requires no tools and can be completed in just 10 minutes, making it user-friendly. The lockable lid also adds a layer of security. While it's not the most spacious option, the East Oak 31-gallon deck box excels in portability and ease of use. Its small size makes it ideal for those with limited space or those who need a multifunctional solution. However, if you have larger storage requirements, you might find the capacity limiting. Overall, it's a great value for the price, combining convenience, durability, and style. At number 3, we have the budget-friendly Keter City 30-gallon resin outdoor storage box. This affordable option is perfect for smaller storage needs, offering a compact 30-gallon capacity. Its all-weather resin construction ensures durability, making it resistant to rust, peeling, and denting. The exterior features an attractive wood-look texture that adds aesthetic appeal to your patio or garden. In terms of design, this box shines with its versatility. It can double as a side table or a storage ottoman, supporting up to 220 pounds. Measuring just 22.75 inches wide, it's a great choice for tighter spaces. Assembly is quick and tool-free, so you can have it set up in no time. However, while it's water-resistant, it's not fully waterproof, so it's best suited for covered areas. The Keter City deck box is an excellent pick for budget-conscious buyers who need a small, multifunctional storage solution. It's perfect for storing pool toys, garden accessories, or even serving as extra outdoor furniture. That said, its smaller size and lack of advanced features like locking mechanisms or UV protection might be a drawback for some users. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat its practicality and design. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Keter Outdoor Storage Deck Box with a whopping 150-gallon capacity. If you're looking for a storage solution that can handle large patio cushions, gardening tools, or pool accessories, this is an excellent choice. Its wood grain resin design offers a stylish yet functional option for organizing your outdoor space. The build quality is top tier, featuring all-weather resin that's resistant to rust, fading, and denting. The lid is equipped with hydraulic pistons for a soft close mechanism, which not only enhances user experience, but also adds a layer of safety. This deck box is sturdy enough to double as a bench, comfortably seating 2 adults with a weight capacity of 660 pounds. Built-in side handles make it easy to move, although its larger size means it's better suited for a permanent spot in your yard. The Keter 150-gallon deck box is ideal for those with significant storage needs. It's durable, versatile, and adds both functionality and style to any outdoor area. On the downside, the price is on the higher side, and its bulkiness may not be ideal for smaller patios. Nonetheless, if storage capacity and durability are your top priorities, this deck box is a fantastic option. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the East Oak 150-gallon outdoor storage box. This premium option is designed to meet the needs of those looking for durability, capacity, and style all in one package. With a massive 150-gallon storage capacity, this deck box is perfect for storing large patio cushions, gardening tools, sports equipment, and more. Its modern striped design in gray adds a contemporary touch to your outdoor space. What sets the East Oak apart is its exceptional build quality. Made from upgraded resin, it's waterproof, fade-proof, and UV-resistant, ensuring it can withstand the elements. The hydraulic lever design makes opening and closing the lid effortless and safe, while the lockable lid adds extra security. This box also doubles as a bench, supporting up to an impressive 880 pounds, perfect for backyard parties or resting between gardening sessions. Additionally, the detachable partition inside allows for organized storage. While it comes with a premium price tag, the East Oak 150-gallon deck box is worth every penny for those who need high capacity and durability. Its robust features make it a standout option for any outdoor space. The only drawbacks are its weight and price, but if you're looking for the best of the best, this deck box delivers unmatched performance and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.